Cloud certifications. What they do not tell you: cloud certifications are valuable. But there are some important truths that certification marketing rarely highlights. Here is what you need to know before you invest your time and money. Truth 1. A certification alone will not get you a job. Certifications signal that you have studied the material, but employers want to see that you can apply it. A certification without practical experience or projects is a weak application. Truth 2. Certifications expire. Most cloud certifications require renewal every 2 to 3 years. Cloud platforms evolve rapidly, and the certification content updates to reflect that. Budget time for recertification throughout your career. Truth 3. The exam tests a broad surface, not deep expertise. Passing an AWS or Azure exam does not mean you are an expert. It means you have a broad working knowledge of the platform. Real expertise comes from building things in production environments. Truth 4. Some certifications are more valued than others. Associate and professional level certifications carry significantly more weight with employers than foundational level ones. Aim higher when your experience allows. Truth 5. Hands-on labs matter more than video courses alone. The candidates who pass first time and retain knowledge are the ones who practice in real cloud environments throughout their preparation. Certifications are a worthwhile investment. Go in with clear expectations and combine them with real project experience.